Today is the day we're installing the baby seat in the Model Y, which is a bit surreal to be honest. And if you didn't know, Paige is pregnant. We're expecting our firstborn child in about a month or so. That's about as far as we can get the car to summon out of the garage, which is still really useful, but it's interesting that it doesn't just want to go back in a straight line. It wants to try and turn and maneuver its way. So it's kind of a little bit annoying. I wish it would just let me have full control of back and forward options. But it will make putting the baby in the car quite a bit easier now that we can summon it. So I got sent this car seat cover by a brand called Energic, which is an Australian-based Tesla accessories brand based out of Perth. And the great thing about this is obviously once you install the baby seat, it's going to protect the vegan white leather from being marked and damaged, and it's also going to protect the cushioning underneath so you're not left with really big dents in the cushions once you take it out in the years to come. All right, time to go get the baby seat installed.
It all feels very real. It looks great. And the cover works perfectly.
So Energic actually sent me a bunch of other accessories to try out, like this mat for the front and one for the rear boot storage as well. Obviously these are very easy to clean. We've also got the all-weather floor mats, which look great, but keep in mind if you're used to that feel of carpet underneath your feet, these do take a little bit of time to get used to, but again, super easy to clean and especially useful for us in the countryside. There's also this nice hidden storage tray underneath the passenger seat, which Paige likes to use for keeping snacks in whenever we're on the road traveling. Then a nice big floor mat for the rear seats, making any mess quick and easy to clean up. And then finally, it was time to install some mud flaps, which have nothing at all to do with the baby, but I should have done this months ago. So all the mats are in, we've got the car seat installed. We still have our Attribution sunshade, which will be helpful on the hotter days. Now we're kind of wondering what else we need. So let us know in the comments if there's other accessories that you found really useful having kids and babies in the car. We're wondering if we should get a mirror so I can look in the rear view and then see the baby, whether we need to get extra tinting on the windows or like a sunshade for the window. I'm not really that nervous about the white interior. I know a lot of other parents would be, but it's so easy to clean. Every time we've had any sort of mark or spill on these white seats, it just wipes right off. And then yeah, apart from that, I guess we don't need to go too overboard because it is nice to keep things simple and minimal and not have too much stuff in the car. Massive shout out to Energic for sending me all of these accessories and helping me baby-proof the car. Like, it is such a great family car. And obviously, yeah, the most important thing is that it is the safest car technically that we could be driving. So all around feeling like this is so perfect for us. And feeling really grateful. So yeah, let me know below if there's anything else you think we should get, and I'll catch you guys soon in another video. Thanks so much for watching.